Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving an interesting question today, and we need to solve this equation for x, and we have x to the power of x to the 6 equals to 144, and let's see how we can solve this. So we really need to be creative in this one. What we're going to do is we're going to do each side to the power of 6. So we'll have x to the 6, and on the other side we have 144 to the power of 6, and we're gonna go over the laws of the exponent. If we have a to the m to the n, this will be equal to a to the mn, and it will be also equal to a to the n to the power of m, and we're gonna use that law in here, and let's call this one m, let's call this one n, and if we do that, we'll see that we can do x to the 6 to the power of x to the 6. And now we get the rationale behind this power of 6 at the beginning, so we are trying to make something here that are similar that's going to help us later for finding the answer, and that's great. It seems we are off to a good start. And let's see what we can do for 144. We know 12 times 12 is 144, which is 12 squared. And let's just plug that in here. 12 to the power of 2 to the 6. And we have x to the 6. X to the 6. We're going to keep that at the way it is, and we're going to try to find something on the right side of the equation that we have two terms that are similar like here, and we're going to use that law in here again. So we have another m in here, another n in here, so we can do 12 to the power of 12, and there we go, we found it. We have x to the 6, x to the 6, we have 12, 12, and that's going to show that x to the x is 12 by doing a simple comparison. So all we need to do is just to do the 6 on each side, and from here we know if we have the square root of x equals to a, we need to take out the absolute value of x equal to a, and that means our x will be plus or minus a, and that works for other exponents too. So in here we have power of 6 and the square root is 6 too. So as long as we have even exponent equals to, let's call it b or a, it doesn't matter, we have to take the absolute value out of the root. So what we have in here, we have x to the 6 to the power of 1/6, and we have 12. And if that's the case, we're gonna take out the absolute value of x equal to, and from here our x will be plus or minus 6 root of 12. Or if we want to show it in an exponent form, we can do plus or minus 12 to the power of 1/6. And there we go, we got the final answer. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.